so restart. Hello guys. So I recently this night got a new SOO line train, and it comes with cars. 1, 2, 3 cars, and we're gonna unbox it. All right, so let's get right into it. Okay. Open this. This is like, I'm pretty sure SOO stands for Sault Ste. Marie, like the Sioux Locks in Michigan. These are rare locomotives, I think, because I've never seen one in my life. Okay. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's opening now. I think. Oh, I knocked over my CSX. Look, CSX intermodal cars. Okay guys, as you can see, we got this. I know it looks like us, but it's SOO because the camera is faced forward. How are we gonna open this? You know what? And there should be like a little thing. Here we go. Okay, so quick note, you always gotta have it flat while unboxing it, or else it will fall out and maybe break, but I don't think it's possible. It is very possible, actually. I don't think the train cars break easily, but the locomotive definitely does. Okay, so we got the SOO line caboose. Yep. It can go either way. Okay. The C and M boxcar. You guys can see it. The doors open and close. Yep. So you can like load them and close them and stuff. Okay, so I have a Burlington Northern gondola, but it's green and old. And you see this Burlington Northern gondola, but black, more new looking. And for finally, we got, I don't know what this is, but an E8 locomotive, if I'm wrong. Okay, see this? Stupid rabbit. See this? This is the locomotive. So, yes. Okay, so I will do a part 2, maybe, of this running on the track. And, yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.